I've been informed that we have a bucket,
Is it like?
Thank goodness.
which is awesome. Because
I've always wanted a bucket.
It's a mostly clean bucket.
Stellar.
Mostly.
Okay.
This lobster probably won't mind that much.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Puppet show. You need puppet show.
What's your grand illusion here?
I have no idea what's going on.
know what's going on.
It's a puppet shop.
What is that?
It's a pretty crappy puppet show.
I think we
Where are the puppets? Where are the actual puppets that we're mentioning?
Oh, yeah, good call. Good call.
the Men of Science.
Yeah.
Why is the
Should we be up to the camera or something?
Why is the lobster in the bucket? I don't understand what's happening.
I don't get it.
Surge. No, there's a Man of Science.
There's actually a puppet in here. I thought you wanted me to be a puppet with the ball.
I get it now. Hello, everybody. That lobster is getting more views. This must be what going mad feels like.
Yeah, we can do that.
Drive that bus. I'm doing it, Mr. Turing. I'm doing it.
Turing?
There we go.
Oh yeah. That's a shot that's going to make really good sense out of context.
Okay, I'll just
Yes. Donation for the
Still taking right now after. Sorry.
Mr. Turing, if you had known that inventing computers would end up in this, would you still have done it?
Absolutely.
Yay!
Good technique.
dancing lobsters.
That's a good point, SNS. It makes no sense in context. Good morning, Alan.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing well. How'd the editing go? I saw your
It was
tweet.
late, but it was good, and Rob put together a nice piece.
Sweet.
That horse head is terrifying.
Yeah. I don't. This whole thing is a little bit.
What have the lobster done to deserve this?
I think I'm having some sort of stroke. I'm not sure.
It's a small one. Just keep focused.
Uh-oh. Wait, Rob. Your light is in the way of the engineering camera.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, Corey. You're being attacked by a giant light. Oh,
There we go. Yay!
Oh, it's moved now. Okay, good.
Okay. Centering on Graham.
Yay! Puppet hole.